Hi guys, good morning. It's Sunday morning and I'm making my breakfast. And today it's going to be ackee and codfish. I already have oil in this pot. I don't put too much. And I'm gonna what I have here is tomato, onion, scallion, little thyme, and the ackee. I rinsed it off. It's in a tin still. I rinsed it off. And that's the codfish over there. I also have a little piece of butter because butter make everything better. And black pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by adding the codfish. Adding the codfish. Okay, my hands are going one way and the camera is going another. Anyway, adding the codfish. I'm really not gonna fry too much of it soft. I'll soak it overnight and it's soft. But you can boil it, I'll soak it overnight to get rid of some of the salt. So it's codfish, it's salted codfish, by the way. So I'm gonna let that fry a little bit, and then we add all I'm not gonna put the onion in. Generally I cook up the onion separate sometimes, but this morning I'm gonna just add all of that together. It's gonna make a difference. This is purple onion. You can use any onion. Any onion is okay. When we were little, our parents never gave us gave us ackee, but these days parents not giving their kids ackee. But I think it's okay. I don't think it's a problem to give your kids ackee. So as I said, we have the tomato, scallion, onion, and the codfish, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little black pepper. Black pepper. I might chip a little pepper afterwards, but anyway. So that's that for now. And I'll continue cooking, and when I'm adding the ackee, I'll come back. I'm now ready to add the ackee, and I'm gonna just add it in. And for water in this thing, I gotta be taking off the ackee. Yes, there it is. So it's almost ready. I'm just showing you. I put a little more butter in it. Don't want too much oil really, and then I like to put too much oil. But it's ready. And I'm gonna have this with hard bread this morning. It's quick and easy. This is a quick and easy breakfast. As long as you soak your codfish previously or boil it and boil out some of the salt. And I taste it and it's good. So I'm gonna turn off the stove, and then I'm gonna share it out and put the bread, put my bread beside it in my tray, and I'll come back and show you. I'm sorry, I turned the thing the wrong way. Sorry. Yeah, I'll come back and show you what we're doing. Hi, so here's my breakfast. I'm ready to sit down and eat my ackee and codfish breakfast with hard bread. And that's the recipe today. It's not really a recipe, there's no measurements. Just, you cook up whatever you have. It could be more depending on the size of your family. And of course, I have a couple pieces of avocado on the side. So that's my breakfast. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Want to make up my numbers. Thanks a lot.